Hi, this is Don, Cowboy Biker Adventures. I'm here at the World Trade Center and 9/11 Memorial. This is a 360 video, most likely, so you can rotate your view on your device. Let's go check it out and show our respect to all the last lost. Now we'll start right here. It's just so sad that this happened. So, here we go. Let's walk around it. As far as I know, there's nobody lost their life I know of, which is almost a blessing in itself. Again, this is 9/11 Memorial. And I wanted to give you a 360 view. You can look up at tall buildings too. But I'm gonna walk all the way around this. I don't know if they're selling the flowers or what. What are those? Oh, the artificial. So I know we're kind of looking into the sun here. So let me get on the other side. But I do these 360 virtual tour videos to try to make you feel like you're here with me. So a lot of people taking pictures, selfies, etc. Everybody's got their own method of showing respect. Trying not to mess up other people's pictures. Let's get another look from this side since the sun's not an issue. There's so many people lost their lives. Almost 4,000, I think it was. It's just sad. Well, that's 3/4 of it now. That's a long drop. I don't know how many feet that is, but I'd say 25. Not to mention what's the one in the middle. It's like, I have no idea how far it goes down. It's probably just out of sight. I'll come back and take my still pictures and selfies and stuff and shoot ashore here in a little bit. But I'm back to the corner where I started. So this is where I came in. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see adventure videos at least once a week, shorts on weekends, be sure to subscribe. So until next time, have a good one.